Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting tutorial on plant simulation on your favorite Leansimcorp. So what we're going to do in this today's tutorial is we are going to understand how I can make the store as a supermarket. And that is going to be very interesting to look into because it's not only about creating supermarket, but it's also about creating the logic of supermarket where you do pull and push systems. So basically the most important is pull-in systems where whenever your material is dropping below a certain amount or quantity, you're supposed to ask for a pull-in, right? You would be asking for material to be sent to it. So that is the best feature you can have that here into the plant simulation store. So let us look at how we are gonna parameterize it and use it into our today's tutorial. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to Leansimcorp. Don't forget to visit our websites, which are already placed in the description below. If you have any queries, you can drop us an email, connect us on WhatsApp community, or drop your doubts into the comment section below. Okay. So that's all. So now, what we're gonna do is here, if you could see, we have a properties out here where you have a part type, right? You have a part type. You are supposed to have a name and all that stuffs, but we'll not do that first. We'll just drag part here. We have a part in here, and what we're gonna do is we're going to place a value as minimum as 1, maximum as 5. Initials is 5. What does it mean is that you're going to have 5 quantities at initials, and then supplier who is going to be supplying the parts to the supermarket, the variables on getting dropped down, and this is that source. So I'm just going to drag and place it here. So you have your source going to be a important parameter which is going to determine how the things are going to be behaving like. So once you put this apply, you would be able to see that you only have a single square. And the reason behind this store being converted to a single square is that you have applied a configuration for only one part type. And that is where you are able to see that. Now when I will run that, so as you have seen that we have this supermarket being created. The benefit of it is going to pull in the parts as per its requirement. And what we mentioned, like whenever quantity is going to fall lesser than 1, it is going to order for next 5 quantities and it is going to be there. So, but currently if you could see when I run the simulation, it is not going to behave that accordingly because we haven't established a relationship between these two yet. What we're going to do in source is in the source, we are supposed to select a property which is basically going to help us in, getting based on the orders from the supermarket. So that is the property which we need to work on to, and that is going to basically determine that the source is basically going to behave as per requirement. So here if you go in the MU selection, you have an order controlled thing, and when you apply on this order controlled thing, it's going to be a very beneficial thing that it is going to be controlled now by a source. I'll again reset this and show you how that is basically going to work. So if you could see here, I have the 5 quantities into my store supermarket. This supermarket will get replenished from the pallet when assembly is going to pull the parts. When this part gets ended up, my source is going to send another 5 parts, and this is the beauty of supermarket in plant simulation. And I really love that. That's the beauty of plant simulation tutorial. So this is how you can convert a single store into a supermarket as well. And you can have that pull strategies being pulling orders, order generation, logics been applied into your simulation, and that really works great. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you would have loved this. We'll meet in another tutorial. We are going to learn another aspect of plant simulation, and that is going to be a pick and place robot, and you're gonna love that about it. So see you then. Catch you up in the next tutorial of plant simulation. I hope you would have loved watching these store tutorials, and you are now capable enough to use store in your plant simulation. That's all for today, guys. See you then. Meet you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Till then, take care.